A musician or band site connects you with your fans, helping you share music, display tour dates, and more. We'll highlight great templates for musicians and bands and explore Squarespace's features for uploading music, connecting social media accounts, and establishing an online musical identity.
You can add music to your site in several ways. Use an album page to upload your music for visitors to listen to using Squarespace's own native player. Add album artwork and a track listing to share the full album, or just offer a few tracks as a teaser. To upload individual tracks to your site, you can use the audio block. Or use the SoundCloud block to embed SoundCloud tracks or playlists directly on your site. You can add these blocks to any content area. You can sell t-shirts, albums, digital downloads, posters, and more using Squarespace Commerce features. Use an events page to list upcoming shows, tours, appearances, and more. You can display your events as a detailed list full of specifics about venue location and start times, or as a calendar. Once you've added events, you can showcase these events elsewhere on your site using a summary block or calendar block. If you use Bands in Town, you can add a Bands in Town block to your page or events. Lastly, link to your social media pages by connecting your social accounts. You can display icons for these social platforms, including music streaming services like iTunes, Google Play, and Spotify, across your site, depending on your template.
Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.